project, select your project. This is our first project which we have created before. Now let's add a new file to it. Select right click, new file option, then select CocoTouch class for view controller class. Select view controller option for view controller class. Set name like my view controller, and next create. This is your new view controller class created. Now how to create a storyboard file? So same way, right click on new file and choose option storyboard, and next name your storyboard my storyboard, my story, and create. This is your storyboard created. Same way you can create any file by new file. Select file from here. If you are creating Objective-C project, then Objective-C file you can add, Swift file you can add. Next, Swift file name slider class, create. This is your Swift file. Now we are creating folder. How to add folder? Select project, right click, and new group. You can create a group for my. Now add all files related to my story in this group. This is your group for my story. You can create number of groups as you want. Groups mainly used to organize the project files, and you can create a group in app as per your module wise group. You can create, like here have a profile, home, my story, so many groups you can create to organize your project. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.